Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering a clean microfiber cloth, a drop of mild dish soap, and lukewarm water. Once ready, hold your glasses under a gentle stream to wash away grit that can scratch lenses. You want particles gone before wiping. Make sure to avoid hot water because it can warp frames or damage lens coatings. As you rinse, tilt the frames so water reaches nose pads and hinge areas. This first step prevents dragging harmful debris across the lenses when you later wipe them. You now apply a single drop of mild soap to each lens and rub gently with your fingertips in small circular motions. This breaks down oils and fingerprints without abrasives. Once done, address frames and nose pads by massaging soap into those crevices to lift grime that causes irritation. Make sure to rinse thoroughly. Soap residue leaves streaks and attracts dirt. After rinsing, hold the glasses up and inspect them in good light so you can spot any mist smudges or remaining residue before drying. You finish by gently shaking or tapping excess water away, then patting frame edges dry with a soft towel while avoiding rubbing lenses directly. Once mostly dry, use a clean microfiber cloth to polish each lens with light circular strokes. This removes streaks without scratching. Make sure to check both sides of the lenses and the nose pads one last time. If smudges persist after a repeat clean, consider that an anti-reflective or oliphobic coating may be damaged. Stop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.